Very nice. Now hopefully I don't have any more bent connecting rods. Try to put this together a little bit today. All the connecting rods I got to within a gram of each other. And then I checked the pistons and they were 15 or so grams off between the lightest and the heaviest. So I put the heaviest one here and here, 3 and 4, and then the two light ones that were similar in weight at 1 and 2. See how that goes. Maybe this video will tell me if it works or not. But all the rods are 833 grams. And I just kind of, yeah, I'm sure you can see that. Well, just got it to the engine stand. Should be a lot easier.